Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Charmed Aroma. They sent me some more goodies, and I believe some of the Easter products are in here, so I'm going to show them to you, and then of course I will be doing ring reveals for them. So right on top, I'm seeing a little Easter egg bath bomb. This is so cute. Pink, yellow, purple, and blue. And that is a pretty big bath bomb as well. I feel like it kind of smells like lemons too, unless it's something else that it was sitting next to in the box, but that's super cute. So we have that. And then we have the little Chicky bath bomb. Super cute. Looks like a bunch of little sprinkles. Maybe this one smells like lemon. Let me take a sniff. I feel like I can't really smell that one, so maybe it was the egg that I was smelling. Either way, both really adorable Easter items. And then we have a candle. This one is called Daydreamer Butterfly Ring Collection. That has a very sweet smell to it. Kind of like a strawberries and cream is what it reminds me of. Really pretty label too. And then I did know I was getting this. I remember looking at it. This is super, super cute. They did wrap it in two different pieces, which is probably a really good idea. But here's the bottom part of that pink egg. Has a nice clean smell, and this is the top to it. I was hoping this would arrive in good shape. Looks like they did bubble wrap everything. It was packed nicely. Vanilla cream. Yep, that's what it kind of smelled like to me. Kind of a clean scent, but like a little hint of vanilla. How adorable is that? Let's see, does it have to fit a certain way? Yes. Cute. So all these are the same, and that this one's kind of flat, so that fits right into there. That's just adorable. So I will definitely be doing ring reveals on all those individually. I also saw they have a new like treasure chest bath bomb. That seems really fun, but I did not get that in this box. Let's see, you can win a free ring. Share a photo or video with Charmed Aroma ring reveal. So a little advertisement for that inside. So that's what I got. Comment below if there's something you want to see first. I'll probably start working maybe on the Easter bath bomb. So stay tuned, and I will have the ring reveals posted for those shortly. Bye guys.